Hey guys, Billie Jenkins here with Silver Creek Doodles. This video is the recheck of the heart murmurs from the 2 puppies from Emma and Mitchell's litter. We go to the vet at 2 o'clock today, and that is about in 2 hours. So let's go ahead and show feeding lunch, and then we get them together and we're gonna head to the vet, which is about 30 minutes away. So as you've seen, we've eaten, we've been outside, and now we're gonna head to the vet. All right, no getting car sick, okay? No getting car sick. Sweet babies. You ready to go for another ride? Are you ready? Are you ready? Sweet babies.
Are you helping? I don't hear it on him.
Good. He's the one that had the grade 1. So it is gone. Yay.
Good job.
And his testicle has come down a little. But it's still kind of up high.
It is up high.
But it's there.
How dare you? Yep. I do feel it.
Good boy, Mr. Red.
He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Look at that tail.
Look at that tail go. Look at that tail go. You little thinker. You little thinker. You had the loudest one, right, I think.
Yeah, grade 2.
Well, that's good, brother. I was hoping this is what this would be like.
He's so scared.
Nope.
Yay!
See, yup.
Yay!
What do you think?
So I'm not giving you no tail wags.
You don't give me no tail wag. Are you scared?
Good Good boy, Mr. Boo. Good boy.
All right, good. Say good. Say good.
All right, so we made it back. One got car sick. I think you can tell because of whose legs it's on. But that was great for the appointment. Everything went well. I am super excited. I went ahead and let Mr. Blue's family know that he's fine now since he was already reserved. They're happy about that. And then Mr. Red with our legs, he is available. So if you're interested, let me know. And don't forget to go to my website and see the other couple puppies that's available in this litter that is ready to go home in just a few days.